Bro, my garage is 30%, I'm gonna say 30% done. I put some of these tiles down. These just cost like $1,000 a box. But I like it. I got a little, I think I added this, I added the Gotham Street. And I'm gonna add this mirror. What are you two? It's your boy Said 2. Ron, I'm back with another video. Hey, today I'm finna start the turf. I'm finna start prepping the floor for the turf. Do it. But hey, I got a little turf, got a little something. I'm finna try it out. Finna clean up first. Then I'm finna try it out. Finna see do I like it. I'm gonna buy some more. And then once I buy some more, the whole floor gonna be crazy. I already know how to get them, even blood in the street. I'm a dog, she don't talk to me. Take a phone, trip, I'm gonna keep dropping. I do not to get to the plan. I join me. I keep up. I don't know how I ain't I need up, they don't need up. See, I'm the stuff down. I up, take off, you up, and show it. Don't tell it, it's no, I'm saying, I'm going to I'm see what I'm doing. I'm just going to believe that it's not easy. I'm TV, trying to don't see how it's happening. You only eat, don't see me, you off. I'm going to kill that, I'm going to stress that. It's what I'm going to I'm going to get away. Send it up, I'm off, I'm going to go. Now you will still right.
Cherokee, they niggas driving east side, come and get you out the bedroom. Hopping in the loud, trying to get that sin, don't ask me where I've been. They ain't ready for this like we live, girl, I can't let them in. Great match, my fly, this time design, you gotta let them in. I get you a word at a time, baby, now again. I can open you a restaurant, Jamaica. You know these kids heavy. I lay there, I get so lean from petty. Nigga, you ain't gangsta if you didn't regret it. Pull a lamb truck.
Especially how I kiss it. Necessary level. Why the fuck you keep going missing on me? Every time you get back from the picture, you act different on me. Tell that nigga that we don't have to share it. I ain't tripping on it. One more time, I'd be the best for both of us. Maybe we should talk about it. They don't know that. How many times you was, I was bad. Ain't sure that. I'll be paying the cut until you come back.
Bro, my garage is 30%, I'm gonna say 30% done. I still got a lot of work. I put some of these tiles down. These just cost like $1,000 a box. I put all on down, I'm gonna stick them though. I want to see how it look for real though before I stick them. But I like it. I got a little table right here. It's not my final table. But y'all finna start this podcast. Look, y'all got a bar here. Check it out. I ain't got no liquor in here. It's a family channel, but hey, got the hookah though. But yeah, I got some Georgia stuff, some Falcon stuff. I added since last time y'all seen it. I think I added this, add the Gotham Street. And I'm finna add this mirror. Install this mirror up right here. Yeah, got a green screen for my reaction video. Got so much to do. I got reaction videos right here. Got my podcast right here. And I'm gonna watch the game right here. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. See y'all next time.